Avoid spraying flowering plants and never apply pesticides when bees or other pollinators are actively foraging. Start by choosing the least toxic Pesti Smart Pest Plan product labeled for your target pest and read the label carefully because the label gives legal and safety directions specific to pollinators. Time applications for early morning or late evening when bees and butterflies are not foraging, and avoid any treatment during warm, sunny days when pollinator activity is highest. Remove or cover blooming plants and flowering weeds in the treatment area before applying so you do not expose nectar or pollen, and if removal is not possible, use spot treatments on non-flowering parts only. Use targeted applications rather than broadcast sprays by applying bait stations, soil drenches, or crack and crevice treatments when those options are permitted on the label because they reduce drift and non-target contact. Calibrate your sprayer and use low pressure and coarse droplets to minimize drift, and never apply when wind exceeds a gentle breeze or when rain is forecast within 24 hours. Store and mix pesticides in a secure, shaded area away from hives or water features and clean equipment according to label instructions to prevent residue transfer that could harm pollinators. 3 common mistakes are spraying while plants are in bloom, which directly contaminates food sources, applying during peak foraging hours, which increases direct contact, and using broadcast sprays instead of targeted methods, which increases exposure risk. If you spray blooming plants, stop and switch to non-chemical options or relocate treatments to non-flowering areas until bloom ends. If you must treat during active foraging, delay the application until early morning or after dusk when pollinator activity is low. If you are tempted to broadcast spray, choose a labeled bait, soil drench, or localized treatment, and adjust equipment for coarse droplets and low drift to protect nearby flowers. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors and provides project planning tips that help you select appropriate pest control strategies while keeping pollinators safe. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share practical experiences and recommendations, so our users learn from real cases and local conditions.